Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a prototype pollution vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is client-side prototype pollution via Flawed Sanitization. So the lab is vulnerable. I'm going to move there. The lab is vulnerable to DOM XSS via client-side prototype pollution. Developers have implemented measures to prevent it, but we're going to bypass it. So same steps as before. Let's do it. As I've done in the last few videos, I'm going to ask you to comment and let me know what you want to see next. We've got very few of these left. Let's see, 7, 8 labs left. What am I going to do next? Let me know what you want to see as this comes up. Okay. Let's take the shortcut because I was not very good last time at doing it without the shortcut. And by shortcut, I mean, I'm going to go proxy, open the browser, the Chrome browser. We're going to put this on 4. And then in 4, I'm going to copy this URL. Go here. I'm going to make sure that DOM Invader is on and that prototype pollution is on. It is on. And then I'm going to check it. We got something here. I always forget, how do I see? Oh, yeah, it's in the inspect DOM Invader. We got a message. Oh, it's not going to be it. Fake web security. I don't think that's it. Let's search blah. And really what we're looking for is, oh no, this is client side. So it's not DOM. So maybe it is this. This is a message. We can start working on CTFs. Yeah, that's a good idea. Although I suck at like the network and I suck at pretty much all. Unless it's a web app CTF, I pretty much suck at it. Invader logging state. Console log. Oh, that's not going to do it. Let's see what JS we have. Deep param sanitized. Oh, we already analyzed this deep param. Sanitize key. That is a new. Where's this? Defined. Where's sanitize key defined? Oh, right here. Constructor for let key equals replace all bad property with blank. Interesting. So let's hit a breakpoint here and let's do and proto dot blah equals foo. And let's see if that hits it. It does. Key is now just search because it removed proto key dot if key equals key dot bad property. Bad properties. So let's play this. What if we did, I said play. Oh, I've got, it's waiting. Is it? Do I have to? It's because the DOM Invader is testing like a billion things. Proto. So what if I do proto like that? And the hope is it removes this and leaves the rest. What happens there? First key is search. Oh, we know that. Second key. Hey, that got through. Proto. Click through the other ones. And now let's go to console to see if I don't see blah. Okay. Let's try it like that. Key, first one, search. Play that. Hey, T. Benson, thanks for the follow. Appreciate that. Second one's proto by itself. That doesn't bode well, does it? No. Let's check all these other ones. Proto. Blah. Replaced one of the bad ones. Placed another one. And another one. And another one. Okay. I'm done looking at them now. Keep going until there. We're going to go to console. We're going to check default object. Ooh, look at that. So blah got through. But, oh, yeah, okay. Let's go now back to Firefox, and I'll paste this. And then we'll go inspect console, look at the default object. What? Console. Why doesn't, what am I doing wrong here? Console.log. Oh, that's lame. Blah, foo. Now we need to figure out the freaking, what is it called? The sync. View page source. Let's look at open in new tab. There. And we're going to nail this one fast. I can tell right now. Params to string if config transport URL. $5 says that's it. Script.source equals transport URL. So we're going to change blah to transport URL and foo to data comma alert 1. Comment out the rest line, and I think this will do it. Here we go. Yeah! Very cool. So quick explanation why I did what I just did. Once I saw that we were modifying the prototype object, like the base object, then I knew that we had the sync nailed, right? We needed at that point to find the source. So I was looking through here, and this is similar to the first lab, if config.transport URL, and then it's going to create a script with the script source equal to this property. So we made sure that the default prototype object had that transport URL property, and then we put it in this format so that without the two comments, or in that format, to get it to alert right away. And that's it. Yeah, I don't have too much more to say. And then we put the / comment out the rest of the line. Very cool, and solved it. So let's solve this lab, or write the script, copy link 3, Python utils create script. We're going to create it for this one. And then I'm going to copy this, paste it, Vim client side there. I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy this so I know what the URL I'm trying to build. And I'm going to do blog.get response. I'm just going to do blog.base URL plus, and then I'm going to copy everything from here to the end and really wuss out on this script. But I made some tough ones, so, cut me some slack. There, and then we'll do blog.is solved. Very cool. There's another one done in the books. I didn't plan on doing any others tonight. Oh, did I take a picture of this? I don't know if I did. Let me take one right now before I forget. Oh, I forgot my outro. Let me do that real quick too. Once I click this save. I'll do it right now. And so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.